Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve a perfect medium-rare steak. First, select a quality cut of meat, about 1.5 inches thick, and bring it to room temperature for 30 minutes. This ensures even cooking throughout. Pat the steak completely dry with paper towels, then season generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This preparation is crucial for developing a delicious crust and flavor. Once your steak is seasoned and the pan is smoking hot, carefully place the steak into the pan. You should hear a satisfying sizzle immediately. Sear the steak for 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, allowing a beautiful, dark brown crust to develop. Flip it over and sear the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes. For thicker cuts, you might also sear the edges for about 30 seconds each to ensure even browning all around. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Continue cooking, flipping the steak every minute or so until it reaches an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial because the temperature will rise another 5 to 10 degrees as it rests. Once it hits 125, remove it from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. Resting allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. For consistent medium-rare results, an instant-read thermometer is your best friend. Remember, every steak is unique, so cooking times can vary slightly. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs like rosemary or thyme, and a pat of butter in the last minute of cooking can add incredible richness. Finally, always slice your perfectly cooked medium-rare steak against the grain to ensure every bite is as tender and delicious as possible. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.